Hello everybody. Welcome to my video submission for the assignment on implementing uh, different file manipulation programs in C using the standard library functions and system library functions. In this video, I'll walk you through all 5 programs I've created. So we have 3 different uh, like different custom cat commands, and there's one for reversing lines in a file, and there's one for appending files on top of each other. So for each one, I'll explain what it does. I'll show you the source code, I'll compile it, I'll show how to use it and stuff. I'll show that it works. Um, so yeah, actually, first of all, let me make like a sample text file, so we can use it in the demonstration. We'll call it input.text because we're going to be using it as input for some of the files. So in it, I'll just put hello, and I am happy to see you. For example, I don't know. Sure, yeah, that's fine. Okay. Um, so for program one, we have my cat. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing that. So my cat fget. This is the one that uses fget. So for this one, it's a rewrite of the basic cat command. It uses fgets to read files line by line. Um, or it reads standard input if there's no files given. So this version handles multiple files and it uses a buffer for efficient reading. So here's the source code on my screen. You can see that includes, so it just includes standard input output. It defines a buffer size of 1024, and in main it checks if there are arguments, and if not, it reads from the input, from the standard input with fgets and writes it with fputs. Otherwise, it loops through each file, it opens it, it reads it, and it outputs them. Now, compiling it in the terminal, I just type gcc. I wish I didn't name it so long, but it's fine. There are no errors. So we can just do actually, hold on. I want to type it again. And input.text. Yeah, it works fine. And we can also do it without any inputs, and we can just do hi, and it'll just spit it back out. My name is Mo. And then until I press Control D, and then it'll quit by itself. So that's program one done. So the next one is the same. It does the same thing, but it uses fread. So let's look at it. My cat fread.c. Okay. Okay. So similar to the first one, but it uses fread. It reads chunks of data instead of lines, which can be more efficient for large binary files, although here we're obviously just going to be doing text. So again, here's the source code that includes the same buffer. In main, it uses fread. It uses fread to read up to buffer size bytes. Then fwrite to output them. Handles inputs, the same way if there's no files included. So let's just take a look at it real quick. Uh, what did I? Oh, I put an S there. Yeah, and again, same thing. If I don't put anything, it just lets me Recording a video. I'm recording a video, please. Um, I don't know, it's being laggy for some reason, but it did work. It's just um so yeah, yeah, same thing. So program 3 again, same thing, just uses system like open, read, write, and close for lower level control instead of the standard. So let's take a look at it. So the file descriptors here are fcuntil, uni, std. So these are for lower level controls for things like p error. Um, so yeah, this version is closer to how the real cat command might be implemented under the hood. So let's just try it out. Uh, what's it called? My cat system. Cat oh, I didn't even compile it. Sorry. C dash. Nice. And let's try this. Loop and Control D works. Okay. So let's go to the reverse file section now. Let's look at it. Okay. Cat reverse file. Reverse file. Let's see. Okay. So this program reverses the order of lines in a text file. It takes two arguments, input file and output file, and it reads all the lines into memory using fgets, and it stores them in a dynamic array. Then it writes them back in reverse order with fputs. So in the source code, there's that includes, stdio, std library, string. It has a structure for lines. It uses reallocate for dynamic memory and str duplicate for copying lines and a free function to clean up. So let's compile it and file. Here, let me. I think it would work even if I didn't create the file beforehand, but I'm just gonna do it in case. Okay. Oops. So let's do, and let's do, yep, and it reverses it basically. So that's all good. Okay, now the last one is the append file, and basically that one just adds files on top of each other. So we'll try to do this one plus this one. I'll say, hello, I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you, hello, all in one file. So, append.c. This one combines multiple text files into one. So, it handles any number of input files. Like it doesn't have to be two. And the last argument is the output. So if we do input text and output text, it'll go into output. So let's take a look at it. Let's see. So here we have the includes stdio and std library. It loops through arguments 1 to arguments 2 as inputs. It opens each. It copies lines with fgets and fputs to the output, then reopens output and displays it with fgets to std out. So let's do it. C append of C and input text text. Oh, oh, wow. Let's try something else. I'm not sure. I thought that would work, but okay. Let's just try something else right now. Let's do like uh do. Honestly, I'm not sure. Hold on. Thought I had to, but I'm not. Okay. So let's do cat combine. I thought it would work even if the file was pre-existing, but I'm not sure about that. I'll have to review it. But yeah, in essence, that's what it's supposed to do, ideally. But I guess you have to have either an empty file or a file that doesn't already exist, and it'll do a system call to open it for you. Well, anyways, in summary, um, these programs demonstrate like different ways to handle file input and output from standard functions like fgets or freads and system calls, and applies them to tasks like reversing or appending. I hope this covers the assignment requirements, and thank you for watching.